exciting to share with you guys, and you guys know that if I find something that I like or that I really love, I have to share it with you guys regardless. I was sent these really amazing makeup brushes by Malika Jafrin, and that's a makeup brush company on Amazon. And let me tell you guys, I did demonstrate it throughout this video for you guys, so there is a tutorial along with this review. And let me tell you, I am totally feeling these brushes. I love the makeup application. It made my makeup come out so smooth, and I just love how these look, and they're so durable. And being a makeup artist myself, I would totally use this on clients because look, you get the whole 9 yards right here. It comes in this really cute pouch, and I mean, it's so easy to carry around and everything, and there's instructions on how to wash them if you guys are not familiar with how to wash them. Now, I am always looking for a good makeup brush because, let's be real, sometimes we don't want to clean them, and you know, you just want to grab the new ones. So that can come in handy if you have a lot of brushes. And you guys are always asking my opinions on makeup brushes and makeup, so I totally recommend that you guys try these brushes. Now, Malika has been in the industry for over 15 years, and she has done everybody from celebrities to models and the whole 9 yards. And she didn't like the way that other makeup brushes performed, so she came out with her own line. I mean, duh. I mean, I think that is every makeup artist's dream, to come out with their own line of makeup brushes. I mean, I would love to do that. That's pretty darn cool. And I think she did a fantastic job. And if you guys want to give these a try, there is a link down below in the description box to get 10% off. And if you guys already have Amazon Prime, then you get free shipping. So that's totally not bad. I totally recommend that you guys try these brushes. I really like them. If you want to see how they perform and you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and if you guys do decide to order these brushes, or if you guys want to give me your opinion on them, then just let me know down below in the comment section. And until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.